Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing materials so you can move quickly. Get conductive fabric, a stretch glove, conductive thread, snaps, and fabric glue. Once you have them, put the glove on to mark the palm and the thumb side touchscreen zone, allowing a 1/2 seam allowance so the patch won't lift. Cut the conductive patch slightly larger than your mark, keeping edges neat to prevent fraying. Make sure to orient the fabric grain for stretch. This matters for consistent contact and reliable palm rejection. Now you attach and wire the patch so the device can detect touch versus palm. You sew the conductive patch to the glove with conductive thread, using small, dense stitches. This ensures low resistance and durability. Once sewn, route a conductor line toward the wrist where you'll install a snap button that connects to ground or to the device's palm reject input. Along the way, add insulating stitches to keep the lines separated. Finally, test continuity with a multimeter to confirm a solid connection. Finish by securing seams and insulating edges so the glove survives repeated use. You trim excess thread, add a thin bead of fabric glue around the patch perimeter, and let it cure fully to prevent peeling. Once cured, attach the snap to your device and calibrate palm reject settings. If the hardware offers a threshold, start mid-range and adjust. If you see false positives, make sure the ground connection is solid. Increase insulation between traces, or slightly reposition the patch. Then retest until palm touches are ignored reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.